So dear students, today we will discuss question number 3 of page number 104. Question number 3, page 104. Write the following expression in words. The expression given, that is x plus 5. So we will write this in words. So what is this? That is 5 more than x. X plus 5 means 5 more than x. And next we have part y minus 3. So what is the meaning of this? So when we write this in word, that is 3 less than y. 3 less than y. Next we have part number 3, that is 2/3x and 2 over 3x. So 2 over 3 means 2/3. 2 over 3 means 2/3 of x. 2/3 of x. Next we have 4z. 4 multiplies that means 4 times z. It is 4 times z. And next we have x over y. X over y. So x over y means x divided by y, or quotient of x and y. Quotient of x by y. X, y, y. And next is, in the F part, it is 2a plus 3b. So this means 2 times a, 2 times a added to 3 times b, or the sum of 2 times a and 3 times b. Three times b. So this is about question number 3. And next there is question number 4. Next there is question number 4. There are 38 students in a class. If x more students join the class, then how many students are there in the class? So there are 38 students in a class. So how many students already there in the class? That are 38. So students in a class that are equal to 38. Next, if x more students, so more students join the class, that is x. Now how many total students are now there in the class? So now total students in the class, that are 38 plus x. X students were already there and x more students join the class. Now it becomes 38 plus x. And next we have question number 5. 3 sides of a triangle are x centimeter, y centimeter and z centimeter. Find the perimeter of the triangle. So in this question, sides are given and we are going to find the perimeter. So we know that perimeter is the sum of the boundaries of a closed figure. So first side, that is x centimeter. Second side, that is y centimeter. And third side, that is z centimeter. So now perimeter. So perimeter of a triangle, that is equal to first side plus second side plus third side. So first side is x, second side is y, and third side is z. So x plus y plus z centimeter. So it is the answer. Next we have question number 6. So in this question, cost of 1 pen is rupees 8. Then find the cost of y pen. So cost of 1 pen is given and we are going to find the cost of y pen. So when the cost of one thing is given and we are going to find the cost of many things, so we multiply. So how we can write in algebraic expression? So that is cost of 1 pen, that is rupees 8, and cost of y pen, so that is rupees 8 multiply y, so it is 8y. So rupees 8y. Next question, question number 7, that is Neha has 7 more toffees than Megha. Neha has 7 more toffees than Megha. If Megha has X toffees, then how many toffees Neha has? So in this question, Neha has 7 more toffees than Megha. So first of all, we will write how many toffees Megha has. So Megha has toffees, that is X. Now Neha has 7 more toffees than Megha. So Neha has more toffees than Megha, that is 7. Now question is how many toffees Neha has? So Neha have toffees, that is X plus 7, because she has 7 more toffees than Megha. So answer is X plus 7. And there is question number 8. Anshul is Z years old. How old was he 3 years ago? So Anshu is Z years old. So present age of Anshul is, so present age of Anshul is equal to Z years. So suppose you are now Z years old. So how old you were 3 years ago? 3 years ago means 3 years back. So 3 years ago. So 3 years ago, age of Anshul. 3 years back, that is Z minus 3. So it is Z minus 3 years. This is answer. So when there is question is of ago, then we will subtract. If it is after, then we will add. Okay.